going on, YouTube? It's Guddang775 back with another video. Today I'll be doing my review on the Oneodio Fusion A7 wireless DJ headphones. Yep, wireless DJ headphones. And I tweeted this out like the first day I was testing it out. This headset is actually kind of like a jack of all trades, master of none kind of headset, because not only does this provide you a decent wireless audio listening experience, it also provides, it also doubles as a great set of studio monitors, because I use it with my Nest Bumblebee mic. Yes, this Nest Bumblebee mic I think cost me like $200 when it first came out, and I think it's still going for that much. Probably not the best mic out there, but I just had to have it. It matched my yellow and black studio chair that I have. But it's pretty decent for what it is. It has its own, you know, mic gain, headphone slot and whatnot. And this is what I use. This is what I basically use for the podcast that I'm producing, the MNC show with Mooch and Crab Gamer. Okay, I've been doing that for a few weeks now, and I've been trying out all different types of headphones and headsets and whatnot. Now, I've been looking one for like a cheaper dedicated version, and this one fit the bill nicely. Okay, I use this connection here that they came with. Now, for you folks who don't know what this headset is, the unboxing video will be linked down below. But this came with this headset, so basically I just plug it in there and I hook it up to my thing here, to my microphone, and I got me my little microphone set up, and this thing is phenomenal when I'm doing live podcast or recording videos for my channel. So this is a great deal of headphones, a great deal for a pair of headphones. Like, you're getting this for $50, okay? I can already tell you without going into detail that this price per performance wise, this headset fits the bill nicely. For $50 is a very, very good headset. Now, let me play you some sample music, okay? I'm gonna play you like 3 different songs so you folks can hear. First, of course, I'm gonna start off with my usual music. Okay, make sure the volume's up. This thing does get quite loud. Whew. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna test it out first. It does get loud for what it is. If I can find, there we go, full volume. Pretty good, right? It is. Okay, another song. Okay, let's try something with more I like these NCS songs because, one, they provide, you know, they're good quality files for the most part, and 2, they're free. You can use them, okay, as long as you credit them down below, as this song will be. Let me see, let's go this one. Here we go. Crazy, right? For the sound output that this thing puts out, okay, it's decent. It's a good deal for $50, okay? Let me play one more song. That way, you know, I figure the more songs you folks can hear, the better. And here's another. I'm gonna play one of my usual songs. Okay, you folks heard it yourselves, okay? This thing sounds pretty good, okay? Wireless performance is sporting Bluetooth 4.2. It's got a decent range, like 33 feet or something like that, which is pretty good as well. Now, I did manage to drain the battery, and it does work without the battery when you have it connected, wired to your source, like a smartphone, your PC and whatnot. And don't forget, like this thing, you can connect this headset to 2 different things at the same time. Like I had this connected, like my wife tried it out. She didn't want to be on air, of course not. She had the 6.5mm connected here, and this part connected to her guitar. And she had a 3.5mm jack cable that I can't find. It was right here. You get the point. I can't find the cable. I swear it was right here. I don't know. My cats took my cables. I have like a bunch of cats and they do run off with my cables. But as you can see, there's another 3.5, there's a 3.5mm jack hole right here. Jack hole, no. I'm so childish. No, but this thing has a unique locking mechanism where you insert the 3.5mm jack and you twist it 90 degrees and it'll lock, it'll stay in place and won't come out no matter how much you tug it. And then to take it out, you twist it back and you pull it out and it removes that way, which is, I think it's a good feature to have. Now it's not, you know, not like a mind-blowing feature, but it's a decent feature. I mean, another feature tacked in for a $50 price tag, I think that's phenomenal in my opinion. Okay, but you can have this 3.5mm jack connected to, like some say, like your background music to your phone or your PC, while this part is connected to your guitar, your keyboard, your mixer, whatever. Okay, I mean, the quality of this headset, the build quality here, look at this, the build quality, it feels like leather, but it's, I don't think it is. I could be wrong. Pleather or I don't know, faux leather. But the underside right here, the cushion here on the headband, it's nice and comfortable. Now I did a 2-hour podcast on Sunday with this thing on. Well, actually more than that, because we get in early and we test everything out with OBS and voice meter, and these work phenomenal. I could hear my audience clearly. I could hear everything Voice Meter Banana put out, and it sounds phenomenal. And these headphone ear pads, they're soft, not the softest I felt, but they will do the job when it comes to like you're doing 2 or 3 hour podcasts or 2-3 hours of studio mixing, or just listening to music for 2 to 3 hours. These will be fine. Maybe slight adjustments in between, like when you're listening for an hour. You're listening, you know, once in a while you get that ear itch, just kind of move them a little bit, then you're good for another hour, and you just got to kind of move them around a little bit, and you're good for another hour. That's how it goes when you're, you know, doing long sessions with headphones for the most part. That's what I do every day. I listen to multiple different headphones every day, and that'll never change. Like headphones, audio stuff will be like my love next to gaming. They're like right there, you know, that's like mother and father. I could never separate the two. I love them both dearly. So what do I think about the Oneodio Fusion A7 wireless DJ headphones for $50? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? This is absolutely worth the price. $50, price of admission. I think it varies the price for like anywhere from $49. I got it for $49.99, but I saw the price the other day on Amazon. It went up to like $51.99, and I think it's currently unavailable now. They might be back in stock, but I love this headset. I do, and it's my new go-to studio headset for doing podcasts and my content creation on YouTube. And it's a good price per performance product, and that's what I like to push out to you folks out there, my subscribers. Now, if I had to speak to one con about this headset as of right now, it's the only con right now, because it's got volume, it's got good clarity when it comes to mids and highs. The mids, they're nice and pronounced, you can hear them thoroughly. The highs are nice, crystal clear, bordering crystal clear, but the bass is where it's lacking. So when I had this up there, listening, when you folks were listening to my the music coming out of this, that was actually EQ adjusted, okay? I turned up the bass quite a bit to get all the bass, the low notes out from here. And when you do that, it sounds a little better, but it still lacks a little bit of the low end. So if you're a bass head, I'm sorry, this is not going to probably be a fan of this headset. Now, if you're a bass head, but you're still looking for like a studio set type of monitor, then I would take a look at this, because $50 is a pretty good deal. And one, you get wireless on the go, studio. I mean, you can hook it up to your, guitar, or you can even share Bluetooth. I think like these two headsets, you can even share your music that is coming now. I haven't tried it, but Oneodio said you can do it. You have your 3.5mm jack here connected to, like, if you're listening to this wirelessly, okay, Bluetooth 4.2, you connect the 3.5mm jack here, connect it to a friend's headphones, okay, and you connect this 3.5mm jack here to another friend's set of headphones, and all three of you can be listening to the same music from this. So you can share the music. Then again, I've never tried it. I'm curious to try it out. I'm curious to try it out. I'll let you know in the comments down below if I do eventually try it. But it's rare because I'm usually only listening to music by myself. But yeah, let me know what you folks think about the Oneodio Fusion A7 wireless DJ headphones. Are you folks taking a look at it? Oneodio is an up-and-coming audio manufacturing company I think you folks should take a look at. I think they're going to be doing good things, and they've already been doing good things. You'll take a look at their reviews on Amazon. They're doing fairly well, okay? And this was a gamble by me. I took a gamble by picking this up because there's hardly had any reviews. I think I only had like 4 or 5 reviews on this thing when I picked it up on Amazon, and it just basically came out January of this year. So I took a gamble, but I like to gamble for you folks, okay? I want to make sure you folks get to know the type of headsets you're buying, especially the ones that are unknown and questionable. You know, is this gonna be good? I think this is worth the money, totally worth it. Let me know what you folks think. This is Guddang775. I hope you folks like this video. You like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.